Hey there, this is Rachel from Write with Rachel, and I'm here today to introduce one of my new products, the Brainstorming Brief. The Brainstorming Brief is a hands on, colorful document created by you. It includes all of the facts about your project as well as your inspirational ideas. When you're done completing it, it also turns into a document you can use to put your presentation together from start to finish. The brainstorming brief starts with a piece of paper. You can see that there are 5 circles and 4 lines. The 4 lines are where you're going to include your facts. We have the facts on the straight lines because facts are usually straightforward. Each of the circles also has a particular position within the brainstorming brief. The green circle is where you'll jot down ideas that are inviting or engaging. The pink circle is for ideas that you want to share or where you'll connect with other people. The red circle is for ideas that may surprise or delight. And the blue circle is ideas you want people to remember or take action on. Now you can watch me fill it in real time. The facts are filled in, and now I'm going to start brainstorming ideas for my mother of the bride speech for my daughter's wedding. Oh, I definitely want to talk about the time that she called me up. She was so excited. She met a guy who actually was going to drive almost 2 hours to actually take her on a proper date. I remember that time that she had a flat tire and he took off work so he could go and help her. Oh yeah. Oh, and here's a good anecdote I could share. I remember the first time I met him, he brought me tacos. And the last time before the wedding that I saw him, he also brought me tacos. So I guess something that Jay and I have in common is tacos. I think that's cute and it's true. And I think all of our families will get a laugh out of that. So that's something that would, I think, be a good way to introduce things. Oh, something I think would be a fun surprise for them. This is a Lord of the Rings wedding. I want to find a good quote from Lord of the Rings. They got engaged in our backyard, so I want to find a quote about the Shire that I can include about families, the Shire, and what do I want people to remember? I want people to remember just how much I love both of them, how thrilled I am to have Jay as part of our family. I can't wait to have more adventures together. Oh, and I also want to include that time that we played Dance Dance Revolution, and I think I won. Or maybe that time that Jay spun the wheel at the hills and won a free round of drinks for everyone. I could also talk about the first date that they had, and it would be fun because they mentioned that. Often. Now, if I can just remember the name of the place, well, I can circle back on that. I'm brainstorming. Oh.